This amazing Egyptian and pharaonic soup is perfect. With low calories and above all, it's a divine taste. Today we are making lentil soup, suitable for pairing with any garnish. It's a rich and complete meal. Let's see the ingredients. Approximately 250 grams yellow lentils, washed and soaked for about half an hour. Medium-sized potato, 1 or 2 carrots, 2 medium-sized tomatoes, small onion, 4 garlic cloves, salt, chili powder, cumin, about 1 to 1.5 liters of water, depending on your preferred soup consistency. Cut all vegetables into small pieces. Carrots add a beautiful orange color and a slightly sweet taste. Potatoes give texture and thickness to the soup. Cut onions and garlic cloves. Adjust salt. Add chili and cumin as desired. Add water so that it covers all vegetables and lentils. Make sure all pieces are small to allow uniform cooking. Ensure the mixture is boiling and reduce the heat to medium-low. While the soup is cooking, prepare the fried onions. Cut onions into thin slices. Dust with wheat flour. Fry in hot oil. Crispy and sweet. Reduce the heat, then let simmer for about 40 minutes. Check from time to time and add water when needed. Meanwhile, prepare the crispy toasted bread. Cut bread into cubes or triangles. I don't prefer frying bread in oil as it absorbs a lot of oil. So I will toast in the microwave without oil. Look how crispy, without oil. Some vegetables for garnish, green onions and radish. Cut radish into attractive shape like a flower, for example. Cut green onions into thin slices. I usually separate the white from the green parts to give two colors. Make sure the vegetables are tender and well cooked. Blend well with a mixer or hand blender. And now the soup is ready. Now let's move on to the serving and share some pictures. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and share the video with everyone you love.